I did the first trip, it was fun, but after that, tired.
Oh, big bug.
Oh, shit, in the morning, oh, mosquitoes.
Thank God I'm using my weights. I've been exercising in the pool with my weights. See? So my legs are up for this.
I got my partner over there, you see, and now he's gonna go.
He waits? Oh,
Yeah,
he knows that
I set up the crew. I'm tired, come on, from 6 o'clock in the morning, back and forth. And you should see it on. Eric, come on, what's going on?
Now, do you make a left here and take us to the front? Where do we get out?
Don't worry, take it easy.
Okay.
You got the first one.
That?
What?
Forest?
Yeah, the whole night they were working.
I took a lot of pictures. I mean, sweet.
Plenty of time to make a picture from the building set.
What is that thing?
That's bugs.
Huh?
Bugs. Coming in nice and slow.